Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, locate the serpentine belt and use a wrench to release the tensioner, allowing you to remove the belt. You might need to move a few components, like the power steering reservoir, to gain clear access to the alternator. This preparation ensures a smoother and safer replacement process. With the belt off and electrical connections unplugged, you're ready to remove the old unit. There are typically 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding the alternator in place. Carefully remove these. Sometimes, a little persuasion is needed to free the alternator from its bracket. Take your time to avoid damaging surrounding components as you extract it, ensuring a clear path for the new part. Now, carefully guide the new alternator into its designated spot. Align the mounting holes and reinsert the bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Don't forget to reconnect all the electrical wiring harnesses firmly. Finally, reattach the serpentine belt, ensuring it's properly routed over all pulleys, and then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before you close everything up, perform a thorough check of all connections and ensure the serpentine belt is correctly tensioned. Start your engine and observe the dashboard for any warning lights, confirming the charging system is working as it should. Listen for any unusual noises and ensure the battery light is off. This final verification step is crucial for peace of mind. For more great deals and to learn about the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.